Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook to log in into your Tinder account. And I'm using the iPhone as you can see, but the directions are very similar to Android. So if you're using the Android, just follow along and you'll be fine, okay? First, we'll begin by making sure that you're logged in into your Facebook. And I'll go here into my Facebook app and make sure I'm logged in. So if you're not logged into your Facebook app yet, make sure you have logged in into it, all right? Once you're logged into your Facebook app, go to your Tinder app and open it. All right, there it is. So once you have it open, if you see here in the bottom where it says log in with Facebook, tap on this button. And then tap on where it says continue. And then click on here where it says log in with your Facebook app. And click on where it says open. Okay, that uses your Facebook information to open up your Tinder account, and click on where it says continue. And it's loading. There you go. That's how you use Facebook to log into your Tinder account. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.